In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project title page in Microsoft Word. Let's start fresh. Open Microsoft Word and choose Blank Document so we're working with a clean page. This will be your title page, so we'll keep the layout simple and professional. First, center everything on the page to give your title page a polished, standard look. Press Ctrl+A to select all the text in the document. Then go to the Home tab and choose the Center Alignment button. If you're on a Mac, you can use Command+A to select all. Centering now means everything you add next will automatically line up neatly in the middle of the page. Type your main project title. Think of something clear and descriptive, like Research Project on Climate Change. Highlight the title and increase the font size to somewhere between 24 and 36, depending on how much space you want it to take up. Make it bold to ensure it stands out as the main heading. After your title, press Enter 2 to 3 times to add a bit of breathing room before your other details. These blank lines help separate the key elements and improve readability. Next, add your project details in the order you need them. Press Enter a few times after the title spacing, then type your name, the course or subject, the instructor or supervisor, the school or company name, the section if that's required, and the date of submission. Keep these details between 12 and 14 points so they're easy to read without overpowering the title. Because we centered everything earlier, each line will align to the middle automatically, giving the page a balanced look. If your institution or organization has specific formatting rules, such as a required font or date format, follow those preferences. Otherwise, a clean, readable font like Times New Roman, Calibri, or Arial works well. If you prefer a ready-made layout, Word has a built-in alternative. Go to the Insert tab, select Cover Page, and choose a template you like. Then, replace the placeholder text with your project title and your details. This option can save time and provides a consistent, professional design. You can still center elements or adjust font sizes within the template to match the standards you need. Once you're done, look over the page to make sure spacing is consistent and everything is centered and easy to scan. That's it. Your title page is complete and presentation ready.